Namaste students. So today we are going to discuss about the respiration in plants. So respiration in plants, it occurs individually in different parts of the plants, like in case of roots individually, then in case of stems also it occurs individually, and in the leaves also it occurs individually. So first let's discuss about the respiration in roots. So all of you know that roots, they are having several root hairs and roots that are present in the soil. So the oxygen which is present in the soil, it will be diffused out into the root cells which are present in the roots. Okay, so oxygen, it will enter in the root cells which are present in the roots. Oxygen diffuses in the root cells. Okay, and when after that what happens, when the respiration it occurs in these root cells, when the respiration it occurs in the root cells, then CO2 that is produced, and the CO2 again it will be diffused out from the roots into the soil. So in this manner the respiration it occurs in the roots. Now we will discuss about the respiration in stem. So respiration in stem, it occurs in different manners in the soft stem as well as in the woody stems. So there are two types of these stems, soft stem or hard and woody stems. So in case of the soft stem, how it occurs, the stomatas, means the soft stem which are green in color, they contain stomata. Okay, and through the stomata what happens, the exchange of oxygen and CO2 it will occurs through the soft stem which are green in color, which contains stomata. But the hard and woody stem, they contain the lenticels. Now what are lenticels? These spaces that are known as the lenticels. Lenticels means the cells in the stem that are very loosely packed, and because of that the pores that are created, which are known as the lenticels, and through these lenticels what will happen, the exchange of the gases it will occur. Okay, means the exchange of the oxygen and the CO2 it will occur. Now next we will discuss about respiration in leaves. Respiration in leaves, it occurs through the stomata. Like in the leaves, the stomata that are present. So through the stomata, the exchange of the gases, it will occur. But the net gaseous exchange, that is differ, means it differs during the daytime as well as during the night time. So let's discuss net gaseous exchange of the gases during daytime. During daytime what happened? Oxygen it diffuses out, oxygen diffuses out, and CO2 diffuses in. So that is the net gaseous exchange during the daytime. And what is during night time? So during night time what happens? Plants, they also take oxygen. So oxygen it diffuses in and CO2 diffuses out. Now why both the processes that differ during the daytime as well as during the night time. Why? Because of the two processes that are photosynthesis and respiration. Now, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? That is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. It will be converted into C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Okay. Now, what is the reaction for the respiration? For the respiration, it is antagonistic to photosynthesis. Means the products of the photosynthesis, it will be the reactants in case of the respiration. That is C6H12O6 plus 6O2, 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Okay. Now during the daytime, what happened? The photosynthesis and respiration, both the processes, it will takes place during the daytime. Okay, but during night time only the respiration it occurs. Now during daytime, what happened? That when the photosynthesis it occurs and when the oxygen that is produced, then only some amount of the oxygen it is used in the respiration. Only some amount of oxygen it is used, and rest of the oxygen it will be diffused out. Okay, so some amount of the oxygen it is used in the respiration process, and the rest amount of the oxygen it will be diffused out. But the CO2 which is produced in the respiration process, all the CO2 molecules it will be used up in the photosynthesis process. So that's why during the daytime what happened? Oxygen it will be diffused out, but the CO2 it will be diffuses in, because what happened? Here the CO2 which is produced during the respiration process, all the CO2 it will be used in the photosynthesis process. Even it has to take more CO2 through the stomata. Now during the night time what happened? Only the respiration process it occurs. Only respiration occurs and photosynthesis it will not occur. Okay, so that's why here only respiration process reaction it will occur, that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2, 6CO2 plus 6H2O. It means the plants they also take oxygen and they produce carbon dioxide. So what is the net gaseous exchange during the night time? That is oxygen diffuses in and CO2 diffuses out.